Welcome back, and now for the news in detail. We start a news bulletin from Italy, where nearly 900 new coronavirus fatalities have taken the country's death toll to over 10,000. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump has ruled out a quarantine in any part of the country, even after the national death toll topped 2,100. Worldwide, the number of confirmed cases has jumped to over 664,000, with nearly 31,000 deaths. This report has the details.
The coronavirus pandemic keeps its stronghold on the world as New Zealand and Qatar reported their first deaths, but US President Donald Trump says quarantining New York will not be necessary. Calling Trump's decision preposterous, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said the US has been behind this virus from day one.
We have been behind this virus from day one. We have been in a reactive posture from day one with this virus. We're waiting to see what the virus does, and then we're responding. The virus makes another move, and then we respond. No, you don't win on defense. You win on offense. You have to get ahead of this, anticipate what's going to happen.
Russia will close all border crossings from tomorrow after reporting 270 new cases, with a total of 1,534 patients under treatment. The World Health Organization says coronavirus has now spread to dozens of the 47 countries in Africa, with 2,650 infected and 49 dead. Meanwhile, Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has told all non-essential workers to stay at home for 2 more weeks, after fatalities rose by a record 832 people overnight to 5,690, overwhelming hospitals and morgues.
This is a crisis that affects all countries, and therefore it is not asymmetrical. It is symmetrical. It affects all countries. It does not obey borders. It does not distinguish between past economic policies made by one country or another. The response cannot be national. It must be a European response. It has to be a response where we all row as one, whether we are Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian or German. It has to be a European response.
Meanwhile, Canadian First Lady Sophie Gregoire Trudeau has fully recovered after contracting COVID-19.